Welcome back. There is a conflict between PWD and Kursade municipality over pending water bills of past 10 years. The Mamledar of Kepe has sent a notice to the Kursade municipality to clear the bills within 10 days. But Chief Officer of Kursade, Agnello Fernandez, says they can pay arrears only of public taps having NOC of municipality.
माहिती प्रमाणे 5 वर्स पयलीं काउन्सिलर रेजोल्यूशन गेले हे सगळी वॉटर पब्लिक टॅप्स आहाय त्यो काडून तांकां फ्री टॅप दिवपाची स्कीम येयल्ली म्हणून सो हांवें ऑलरेडी तांकां लेटर केल्ली तांकां ती 5 वर्स पयलीं ती सो डिस्कनेक्ट कर म्हणून ते म्हणटा की 10 वर्सां पासून जाली हे बिल चालू आहाय म्हणून हे 10 वर्स पासून ते खंय आहा न्हिदलेले आहले आतां उजपेट म्हणून दावाट आमची म्युनिसिपालिटी येयलाय पयशे मागपाक
तुम्ही ऑलरेडी रेजोल्यूशन घेतला
हांव ऑलरेडी रेजोल्यूशन गेला की तांकां ऑलरेडी सगळे डिटेल्स घेवचे अशें म्हणून एनओसी घेवपाची व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा ती विदाउट दिस इज द मेन क्रायटेरिया फॉर लेईंग अप वॉटर टॅप आमची एनओसी घेयना आसतना वॉटर टॅप हिंगा मेळत थिंगायले सो हाव आय एम बाउंड टू पे द एरियर्स.
The technical assistant of PWD, Shailesh Usgaonkar, said huge amount of water bills are unpaid by the municipality.
For our details, 9,91,000 सुमार amount pending आसा तांचो 9,91,191 till 2012 आनी जेन्ना 2010 जेन्ना तो अमावंट चड जालो आमी कंटिन्यूस लेटर पासून करून तांणी म्हणजे एक नीड आशिल्ली लोकांक उदकाक लागून आनी आमी मॅक्झिमम कनेक्शनां आमी रिलीज करून थ्रू लो इनकम ग्रूप आमी मॅक्झिमम टॅप डिस्कनेक्ट केले अप टू 2012 आमी सगळे टॅप डिस्कनेक्ट केले आनी आतां तांचो इतलो अमावंटाक लागून आमी कितें केलें ते सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटी आमी रिक्वेस्ट लेटर पासून धाडली स्टील दे हॅव नॉट पेड सिंगल.
हांवें तांकां नोटीस इश्यू केल्या की विथीन 10 days ह्या जो अमावंट आहा पळय तो तुमी पे करा म्हणून सो अदरवायज लिगल प्रोसिडींग वील बी स्टार्टेड म्हणून.
ह्या बद्दल म्युनिसिपालिटी अधिकाऱ्यांक विचारलें तेणी आमकां विविध आन्सर दिली. आतां हें उदकाचें बील फक्त आम आदमीनच भरप सरकारी ऑथॉरिटी आसा तेणी हें बील भरप ना हो लोकांक प्रश्न पडलेलो आसा. कुडचडेच्यान मयूर नायक, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
And now a look at the other events happening around the state.
Directorate of Health Services organized a medical camp at the health center in Kortalim.
Basic idea was get this our local villagers to directly seen by a consultant, and that was main aim of our minister also. So we are getting cases which we are referred from primary health center, and proud are coming with that. Medicines are provided by our Director of Health Service.
Bardes Bazaar Consumers Cooperative Society felicitated meritorious students of its consumers. Students were given scholarships. Minister for Cooperation Deepak Dhawlikar, pioneer of cooperative movement and former Minister of Public Enterprise in Maharashtra, Balasaheb Vikhe Patil, Chairman of Goa Law Commission, and others were present on the occasion.
तुम्ही मेन कंज्युमर बॉडी तुम्ही कंज्युमर कॉपरेटिव्ह फुडें व्हरपाक जाय ताका बरी दिशा दाखोवपाक जाय तुम्ही कितें तरी प्लॅनिंग करूंक जाय.
Chairman of Vadem Nagar English High School, Rajen Alekar, informed that the management plans to start higher secondary in the premises of the school. Their aim is to provide higher secondary education to locals of surrounding areas.
We have been given permission to start these classes by the Department of Education to start 11th Arts and Commerce. We have enough infrastructure with us, and that infrastructure we are sure that we will be coping up with the coming whatever we have other anomalies in this.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Indian football is enveloped by uncertainty, and All India Football Federation is looking to ring in the changes while premier national clubs are not in agreement. The AIFF is toying with the idea of changing the I-League format and starting an IPL-type football tournament. The clubs, meanwhile, already under the burden of rising budgets and no returns, are afraid of being squeezed even more. AIFF Vice President and Thepo Sports Club Director Srinivas Thepo feels the upcoming season will be challenging on all fronts.
It's going to be a very interesting year. A lot of changes in the club, a lot of changes being proposed in Indian football. As you said, relooking at the revenue model, because we can't go endlessly like this, spending this kind of money. Money always has an opportunity cost, whether if it's not football, we can do something very relevant in education, we can do something very relevant in health. So anything has to be self-sustaining.
There is an impasse between the I-League clubs and the AIFF over various issues to name, like the IMG Reliance suggested IPL kind of tournament, then the conference model that has been suggested for the for the I-League format. So what is the way forward for this clubs versus AIFF?
I think speaking from a club's perspective, yes, there are certain challenges. But I think one has to realize that every model that is proposed will always come with its pros and cons. I think the most important thing is, as you said right now, is to break that impasse, sit with AIFF, the AIFF sitting with the clubs and the clubs sitting with AIFF, drawing very clear-cut the list of challenges that we as clubs face. And I think on the AIFF side, it is their then responsibility to see that the club's concerns and issues are addressed. And both should move ahead. But I think something has to happen in Indian football. Otherwise, you'll see a few wickets going down more in the next few years, because we've seen the result of very prominent clubs like JCT and Mahindras, who are one of the topmost industrialists in the country, and there may be valid reasons why they closed down. And
as far as Dempo Sports Club is concerned, what's your approach towards the IPL kind of league?
I am not strictly against the IPL kind of league, but there are issues. There are issues on the calendar. There are issues on how many breaks the players are going to get. One is we are talking about sending them for India tournaments. That is going to be one break. Then the Reliance is going to be another break. Then we are going to pay our players for an X amount of months.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.